What the What's up guys? Thanks for tuning in on today's video. Tonight we're going to be doing the last vlog rally of 2021. We've got a couple of cool cars lined up today. We have obviously my Camaro that I haven't driven in a fat minute. Bryce has E92 M3. He's actually coordinating now with an AMG GT-R that's owned by actually a high school friend of ours, and a supposedly supercharged S550 Mustang that's completely stock except the supercharger. So it's gonna be interesting to see some pulls from those cars. What do you have to say, sir?
It's gonna be lit.
That's our friend Dylan.
Yo, it's good.
Oh my gosh, whose man's is this? Damn, that is thick. Sheesh. Damn, so let's do like a little walk around here of the AMG GT-R. This is just amazing, dude. Jeez, it's so thick. Same color as the Gabby's Edition 1. But look at this. That is just superb. Look at the wing in the back there. Oof. So of course we have the AMG GT-R. We have my boy Dylan's CLA, black on black, with Baby Yoda out there. Of course, here's the Camaro. Of course, we have the E92 M3 with the 3M burnt orange. I believe that's what he calls it.
Right here in the lobby, right here. Right in front of the car wash. Where?
Tell him to do a burnout, he won't.
Yo.
They said tell him to do a burnout, he won't.
Okay. Very nice. You daily drive it, right?
Yeah.
Hello. Jeez. What are you making wheel?
Wheel, I don't know. I'm doing 815 to the crank.
815? No, so that's gotta be like
But
high 600s.
it's like 3 to 5 pounds of boost. So if I turn it up to 10 pounds,
You significantly more. Damn.
which is what everybody runs it at, but I'm running low boost.
The brand new M4. I absolutely love it. Seeing it in person is a lot better than in the images. Over the images, I was like, not a big fan, but seeing it in person, it completely changes. All right, guys, so we're gonna start heading out now. Holy shit. Bro, this guy's crazy. Yeah, guys, I'm noticing that the clutch is starting to sink in. Apparently it's a pretty common problem with these 5th gen Camaros, that the clutch fluid tends to overheat, causing the entire system to just kind of like become lethargic. So that's something that I might have to address, because again, it's literally like impossible to drive right now. Like the clutch will sink in and it won't engage properly.
I got the wrong exit, bro.
Yeah, same.
But yeah, but
It's all good, bro.
everybody here?
Yeah.
Well, here's a little tour of Miami International. Not every day you see a car meet or car rally pass by the airport. Yo, these guys are crazy.
Yo.
Did you take the turnpike?
No, 137. Go all the way down.
The rest of the pack that got way ahead of us got off on the wrong exit. So right now Dylan and I are just chilling, going at like legit 60 miles per hour, trying to give them some time to catch up to us, because they had to get off on an entirely different exit, which shouldn't be too hard for a supercharged Mustang, an AMG GT-R, a brand new M4, and then a guy with a lead foot on an M3. So let's see how long it takes for them to get back. Yo, look. We just passed Kendall Regional.
Kendall Regional. Bro, wait for us there.
No, look. Oh shit.
Oh my god. What the f***?
Wait. Bro, crazy fast. Alright, send me the location so we can go there.
What happened to the gate?
I got off the wrong exit.
I figured. There's a cop right there.
I know, bro, who cares?
What is that, a camera? You have a camera there?
Yeah. Go.
Meanwhile,
What the hell? Did you see that? Yeah, it like... Oh, sh**. No, it's fine.
It was this close to hitting me. I was like...
Oh, I'm sorry.
It's all good.
Yeah, so far everything looking good. There's Kendall Regional. All right, so I'm actually gonna check out underneath the hood to see if there's any leaking, because you know the clutch was acting up. All right, so let's look around here. All right, nothing, no coolant coming out, which is good, right? Nope, no coolant. That's from before I never cleaned it. What's weird about the Camaro is that they share the brake fluid reservoir and the clutch fluid reservoir. This is all in one. So when they heat up, the clutch heats up. So I'm actually thinking about doing a separate clutch reservoir. That should be a pretty interesting mod. But so far the Camaro looks like it's pretty good. I mean, yo, did you see any like smoke when I was driving, like accelerating? All right, cool. Too slow, what's going on? Me voy a dormir, bro, what is this? And you? What a mad lad. Pleasure.
All right. Nice meeting you.
You never met Gabe?
No, I met Jonathan before.
Yeah?
Like once. Oh yeah. Alright. Take it easy, man.
Until next time.
Yep, absolutely. Well guys, there you have it. That is the end of today's video. What an awesome turnout this was. Really was last minute and completely unplanned and unexpected. I'm really thankful for the guys that did show up tonight. Guys, that was an amazing meet, and this pretty much sums up how 2021 was for me. Exciting, fun-filled, surprising, and just overall great vibes with great people. If you guys found it informative and entertaining, go ahead and give it a like. If you guys enjoy my content overall, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. And guys, don't forget to hit the notification bell so you don't miss any of my videos, any of my reviews, any of my vlogs. And guys, have a wonderful rest of 2021. I hope you guys have an amazing time with your family and you guys transition into 2022 with a bang. Take care guys, and I will catch you next year.